I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect Béarnaise sauce. This classic French sauce, a close cousin to Hollandaise, elevates any dish. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, focusing on fresh herbs like tarragon and chervil, and the importance of clarified butter. Understanding the role of each component is crucial for achieving that velvety, smooth texture and rich, tangy flavor profile. Let's dive into the steps for creating this culinary masterpiece. The foundation of a truly great Béarnaise lies in its flavorful reduction. Combine 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar with 2 tablespoons of dry white wine, along with 1 finely minced shallot and a pinch of black peppercorns. Gently simmer this mixture until it reduces significantly, aiming for about 1 tablespoon of concentrated liquid. This intense, aromatic base provides the essential tang and depth that defines Béarnaise sauce, setting the stage for a perfect emulsion. Now for the magic, emulsification. Over a double boiler, whisk 3 egg yolks vigorously until they become pale and thick, almost ribbon-like. This gentle heat helps to cook the yolks without scrambling them. Then very slowly drizzle in 150 grams of warm clarified butter, drop by drop, while continuously whisking. This steady, patient process is key to creating a stable, creamy emulsion that won't break, resulting in that luxurious, velvety texture. With your emulsion perfected, it's time for the finishing touches. Stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped tarragon and 1 tablespoon of chervil, which give Béarnaise its distinctive herbaceous aroma. Season the sauce with a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper to enhance its flavors. Remember to keep the Béarnaise warm but never hot to maintain its delicate texture. Serve this exquisite sauce immediately with grilled steak, poached fish, or roasted asparagus for an unforgettable meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.